Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel in another video. In this video we're doing a plume technique acrylic pour using golden dioxazine purple, this little piggy taffy, and this little piggy twinkle with a black Amsterdam cell activated. I'm also using that white house paint as opposed to the black that I was using recently. I really feel like that dioxazine purple mixing with that white house paint really creates a gorgeous teal color. And then you can see that that twinkle, when it's held up to the light, it's actually a color shift. So it's a white, and then you have that purple, kind of reddish purple color shift in there, and it's absolutely stunning. So for this set of coasters, I was using a moderate amount of paint, so the puddles were a little larger than I normally do. I just wanted to ensure that I had enough coverage to coat the entire coaster, because sometimes I go for the negative space, sometimes I don't go for negative space. In this, I wanted complete coverage of the entire coaster, so that I wanted all that white to be completely covered up. I'm very happy to say that in my community tab about a week ago, I posted I was going to be making a bloom pour kit. Well, the bloom pour kit is out for testing right now, and barring any inconsistencies or problems with shipping, I will be able to have that in my Shopify store for you guys. I'm very happy about it. It'll essentially take the mixing part of this out of it, because I'm going to send you 4 ounces of my medium and then about a ½ ounce of cell activator, which is plenty, and then some other odds and ends to assist you with the bloom pour, in addition to very detailed instructions on how to do it yourself. So I'm very excited. Hopefully the test goes well, and I can put it in my Shopify store to kind of help you all in your artistic endeavors just a little bit. Because I know some people don't want to buy a gallon of this, a liter of that, mix it, weigh it, do all this other stuff. So the kit will kind of take a lot of the guesswork out of it, and then just following the directions, you'll be able to paint these blooms all by yourself. So I want to say that this one was my favorite one out of the entire set. Just because of the way it looks like a flower to me. It looks like actual petals of a flower. So now you're seeing a top-down view of all 4, and this really highlights this little piggy twinkle, and you can absolutely see that color shift effect in that white. It's so gorgeous. I love that color. This combination of colors was amazing.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.